OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, for the longest time, these companies dominated AI. But something has changed. Open source models like Qwen and DeepSeek are not just catching up, they are competing head to head and in some cases, even outperforming them. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful model in the world right now, Qwen 3.5 Omni. This is not just the another LLM. It is true omni-modal model, meaning it can understand the text data, audio and video all together natively. And according to the benchmarks, it's already surpassing models like Gemini in multiple tasks. It supports massive context, real-time interaction, voice cloning, tool usage, basically everything you expect from next Gen AI and more. But the craziest part in this model, this is the part of the larger movement. Very soon, Qwen is going to release its model on the Olama. That means you can also test it in your computer. In this video, I'll break down how Qwen 3.5 Omni works, why it is so powerful, and what this means for the future of AI. Let's go ahead and get started with this. Qwen 3.5 Omni model is so powerful that it can process the audio, video, text data, everything together. This model is pre-trained over the 100 million hour of the audio and video visual data. It has achieved the SOTON 215 audio and visual understanding. It can process more than 10 hours audio in a single go, and it can also process audio and video together for more than 400 seconds. They have here API availability on Hugging Face, offline API and online API. In online API, you can interact with the audio model, and in offline, you can interact with the chat model where it can process audio, image, video all together. Let's go ahead and see how this overall works here. Basically, in this case, in Qwen 3.5 Omni, they have actually provided here a hybrid attention, hybrid MOE process, basically. So this is the kind of the architecture, mixture of expert architecture, where they have a text data, vision, audio, everything. Thereafter, there is the encoder. Then you have a vision encoder, audio encoder, everything actually fed into the hybrid attention MOE, and then finally data is processed here. In case of the streaming, this model is so powerful that it takes only 234 millisecond for the first packet latency. That means it can process the audio in almost real time. And you can see here that it's architectural evolution, that how Qwen 3.5 Omni improves over the Qwen 3 Omni. This was the pure MOE architecture, but here they are having the hybrid MOE, and overall the context length is also increased here, and the captioning capability, it has got here the audio and video together. Apart from that, there is the audio synthesis tool there, which can actually create a good quality audio as compared to the Qwen 3 Omni. Thereafter, as you scroll it down, interactive features are there like semantic interruptions, web search, voice clone, and so much more is available with the Qwen 3.5 Omni. Overall benchmark, you can see here how it outperforms Gemini 3.1 Pro models. All right. Let's go ahead and quickly put this model under the testing. So I'm going to first of all test here the online model. So they have provided the link Qwen 3.5 Omni real-time interaction demo. I'm going to select here energetic and playful, and then event voice is going to be here a default one. Thereafter, all these parameters are going to be as it is. There is no change. Now either I can upload here a video or I can just record the audio, and thereafter it can process and finally it can generate the answer. Let's go ahead and record it. So I'm going to allow here my microphone, and then I'm going to record here. Please explain me how attention works in large language model. As you see here, please explain me how attention works. Excellent. Now, as you see here, this is recorded. Thereafter, I'm just going to submit it. So it is going to process this audio, and thereafter it is going to generate here the response. You see, all of these are getting done with just a single model. That's the Qwen 3.5 Omni model. You might wonder that all these can be done with the Gemini model or OpenAI models as well. But actually they have their separate model. They don't have just a single model which can process all these together. So they have a set of the model and then those model process these data. But in case of the Qwen, they have just a single model and all these are getting processed by that just a single model. You see the response is generated. Let's go ahead and hear this.
Think of attention. When you get to the end, you don't forget the beginning. Your brain keeps looking back at earlier words to understand the current one. That is basically what attention does for an AI. Instead of reading word by word and losing track, the model looks at every word in the sentence at the same
You see
time.
how great this
The
is.
signals
This is really awesome. So this is the online testing. Let's go ahead and test the offline one. So in the offline one, you have option to upload your audio or image or video or all together you can upload here. Let's go ahead and test it with the audio upload. So what I do here, I'm going to select here just the audio upload here. All right. So the same audio which I had created earlier, I'm just going to upload it here. Thereafter, I'll ask here a question that generate caption for this audio, let's say. Let's go ahead and submit this. So what is going to happen here, it is going to get the caption for this particular audio. It will take a little bit time. Thereafter, we will be getting the output here. So this is the chat box. This is where we are going to get the output. So as you see here, it has generated the caption for this particular audio. This audio explains the concept of attention in AI by comparing it how human and read the sentence and all other stuffs. All right, let's go ahead and see if it can process the image as well. So I'm just going to upload here an image and thereafter I'm going to ask that tell me about this image. Let's go ahead and submit this. So it might take a little bit time to upload. So it might take a little bit time for you as well. Why? Because there are so many people who are testing this particular pattern. So what you can do, you can download their standalone application, a chat application in your computer, and thereafter you can test it. So this image is uploaded here. Thereafter, I can just simply ask here the question. All right. So it is going to give me the answer here. In meantime, I can also show you in their desktop application here. So in their desktop application, they have option to select the model. So you can select here Qwen 3.5 plus model, then you have Omni plus models. In other model, if you come here, you can select a faster model. That's the 3.5 Omni flash model. Let's select the flash model so that we can process it we can process it into a faster manner. So I can just simply upload here an image. Let's upload this image, maybe this one. I can just ask here what is this. All right, let's go ahead and test this. So it is gonna process this image and then it is gonna tell me what is this. You see how fast it is. So it says that this is a promotional thumbnail or banner, tutorial video, etc., etc. If you run out the usage frequently for the chat GPT and the Anthropic Cloud Desktop, then I would say that the Qwen chat application is the second alternative which you can use. As you have seen, it is so powerful model that it can do everything what other models can do. What actually I would say that what other paid model can do, like OpenAI, ChatGPT, or Anthropic's Cloud Desktop. All right, so this is all about in this lesson. If you have any question, you can ask that in the Q&A. And if you want me to make a video on a particular topic, let me know. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Bye-bye. Take care.